your faces. Be bright and active. Good morning to everyone. A warm welcome to all third year triple E students. And also, I am very happy to invite Arun Kumar A. He got a placement in KPIT. Is going to share his experience to you, students. Please, all of you, make use of it. Thank you once again. I welcome Arun Kumar. Now you take over the session, ma.
Thank you. Good afternoon
Thank
to
you.
all. I'd like to thank our department HOD and the third year coordinator ma'am for giving this opportunity to me. Welcome to all. In this section, we are going to see about my personal experience and how it will help your placement. Next. Who am I? I am basically I am average student, sir. My CGPA is around 8.30 till 7th semester. I got placed in a KPIT Technologies and its salary about 3.6 LPA, and it's one of the core company. I have participated in many project contests like our department project as as well as other college department projects and hackathon also, and have even won some. First of all, I tell AMCAT and the importance of AMCAT and skill track. Based on the AMCAT score, our company select shortlisted student in first round. AMCAT and skill track are explained by in previous class my friends also, Jayesh and Harishwar. It's one of the important for considering as placed into day zero company. Most important for placement is aptitude, programming skill like C, and effective communication skill and technical skill and perfect resume. Next page. Okay. I play in day zero. I faced nearly 8 companies in day zero. First problem which I faced in placement is coding. Nearly I attend 8 companies. Out of that, I selected in KPIT. First company which I visited is Soliton. In Soliton, I rejected because of my aptitude and logical skills are not developed in that attending the first company. After that, I learned aptitude and logic skills. Next is Zoho. In Zoho, I rejected in the first round because of coding. After that, I start learn about coding. Next, I selected Econ in second round. After I selected second round, based on the coding segment, I rejected in that Econ. Finally, I placed in KPT. From the above 3 companies, I learned coding and aptitude, and I get placed in KPT. In KPT selection process, there will be 2 processes available. In first process is online process, technical interview, and HR interview. And process 2 is offsite round, on-site coding round, technical round, HR round. In my senior batch, they follow process 2. Like they follow the 4-step offsite round, on-site coding round, technical round, HR round. In my batch, they follow the process 1, online test, technical interview, HR interview. Heading space. Next. In KPT first round, the test is conducted in online. So online means a metal platform. Next. In KPT first round, there will be a quants 13, verbal 12, technical 25, coding 2, total 52. And this test is conducted in 1 hour 30 minutes time. Next one. The technical question will be from topics such as digital circuit, EDC, microprocessor and microcontroller, and LIC and control system. Uh, in digital circuit, they ask about the logic circuit K maps. Okay. And a microprocessor means they ask about architectures and interrupts, flags, like that. Ask in LIC they ask in filters, A to D converter, DAC converter, DAC, mm, symmetrical, and second unit. You have to cover LIC second unit and third unit. In control system, they ask about open loop system and closed loop system. Op-amp is also asked it. Maybe three questions. Basically, the questions are from microprocessor, microcontroller, because it is a electronic automotive based company. So they ask in microprocessor and microcontroller coding rounds. Next, coding questions. The questions they ask. This one is previously asked the coding question in my batches. The program to replace all zeros with one in a given integers. Print the number of the times digits occurs in each and every number from 0 to n, and sum of the digits, linear search, and count the frequency, string reversal. Next, next up. NCR, NPR, maximum and minimum roots of quadratic equation. They ask about only a basics programming questions. Um, the answer should be in a function return type only. They ask about two coding questions in online exam. For me, asked NCR and NPR and a maximum and minimum element in an array, which is only a function return type. Next one. In round 2, face-to-face interview rounds, the applicant will ask the questions on the basis of the information and data that they are in CV. Based upon their resume, they ask about the questions. It should be in a perfect resume, and you know all the information about you wrote in the resumes. First of all, you should have to clear area of interest. Some guy wrote digital logic circuit. You should know the exact concept of the logic circuit. There will be many topics around there. We should specifically note that in logic circuit, I know conventional circuit clearly. I mean, you put like that only. And digital in a concept of area of interest, you should put a microprocessor. It's a first impression for the KPIT to get placed in microprocessor, microcontroller, and digital circuits. You should explain the project. This round will be take half an hour to 45 minutes. The interviewer, they asked many questions. You should have escaped from that, means you should explain about projects till 10 minutes. 10 minutes you should explain about the project. If you did in electronics project, means based on embedded system, means they asked more questions about that. In KPIT, they use CAN buses in all protocols. You should go through that for the CAN buses, I2C bus, and SPI bus in DSP. Next week. In round 2, there will be a stress interview. Stress interviews also there in round 2. In round 3 means first of all, when you are appearing for the interview round, always ensure that you are very properly and decently dressed. It's a first impression for the HR interviews. So the round is also, it's one of the kind interactive section. You should yet to avoid speaking and keep your answer will be short and simple. Next question. frequently asked question means tell me about yourselves and what are your hobbies and what are your weakness, how do you overcome your weakness, and puzzle questions also will be there in HR interviews. Next question. Next one. There will be off-campus placement is also there through KPIT Sparkles. In KPIT Sparkles, there one of my friend plays in KPIT Sparkles. He having a single arrear, but he got a job in a KPIT through KPIT Sparkles. He put out a project in he put out a project idea in KPIT Sparkles, though he got selected in KPIT. Next. KPIT Sparkle is a national contest focused on creating a culture of innovation and providing students an opportunity to come up with innovative ideas. In my batch, there will be two students placed through KPIT Sparkles. One is from our department, another one from E&A. Our department student having a single area, but he also selected in KPIT. Next thing. Uh, in final year project, the project must be in most of a visiting company are based on a electronics related company. So if you put an electrical project in final year means you have to explain elaborately and have to know the information about your project. They ask many questions in electricals in electrical of your project final year project. My suggestion is to choose a project like embedded based project or IoT related project. Embedded based project means IoT related project. Uh, it my it's a first impression for the KPIT. Next. My batch, I did around 6 projects in 4 years. I visit so many shops like components purchasing. I told about three important component shops: Ajanta Electronics, just take electronic components. They're having all electronic components related to our projects also. Next one. Next one. If you have if you want any guide or queries, I want to which project I have choose in an innovative that manner means you have to go to the project center like innovative engineering solution JK Electrocrafts, Unique Technologies and Spido Solution Center. These are the project center guide center um, will guide you about your final year projects also. Or else if you want to search inside, then go for electronics hubs, electronics for you, Nivan project, and Electro Elporacus. These are the important sites that projects are that you want to search in sites. About KPIT. KPIT is one of the multinational company in India. KPIT provides embedded software solution to automotive company. Its business is adjusted into 6 domains, namely autonomous driving, connected vehicles, electrical and conventional powertrain, vehicle diagnosis, auto star, and mechatronics. And these are main domains they are doing projects in these main domains in KPIT. Currently, they are doing a program in a BMW, Jaguar, and Honda. It's a third party company. They give a hardware software solution to the automobile industries. If you selected in KPIT means there will be a face examination there for your confirmation of your job. In training period, they teach about Evidency, MATLAB, Simulink, Python, and advanced automotive electronics, and SPDM, software development, product development training. I faced it in I I like to tell my experience in KPIT. In first round, I go through technical skill like EDC, LAC, DLC. From top to bottom, I will go through that subjects. Basically, the questions are from DLC, microprocessor, microcontroller, and LAC. Please go through these three subjects. They will useful to your place in any core companies. And quants, aptitude, verbals. In coding, you have go through the basics of C programming and not too much of like data structure. No need for the data structure. So only the basics of coding, basics of coding, and your answer must be in return type, function return type. There will be no need of your taking input from answer because they process the input as a parameter. You should explain about the body of the function. In round two, the interviewer conducted me as a stress interview for 2 minutes. They didn't ask any question to me. They say only about my face and resume. They ask about me. I put area of interest in a DLC and microprocessor microcontroller. Um, they ask about a microprocessor question like what is microprocessor and flags and what is the scope of the microprocessor. In DLC, they ask as a K map for the K map or and or logic gate circuit. Uh, there will be, I explain about my projects in 20 minutes. Around 20 minutes, I explain my project. It's a main part, a main key helping me in the interview. You should know each and every component specification and your pin diagrams and description. They ask about the top to bottom of your projects and your used components or specification. You should know that one. Uh, they also the cross check about answer also. You should explain in a correct manner. Especially. In round three, there will be a true. If you, in round three, there will be a HR interview. They ask about your simply question like, why should I hire you? Will you accept an responsible place? You should tell us yes, yes, yes. They give you a job to you. If you tell in negative manner, means it is one of the drawbacks for your job in KPIT companies. Question is you take electronics basic projects in you put in a resume in KPIT companies. It will be useful to you, and they ask about you should know each and every topic in that projects. Okay, Andy. Next. Frequently asked in third round is tell me about yourselves. What are your hobbies and weakness? How to overcome your weakness? Puzzles. Why should I hire you? Like that they ask questions in HR interviews. There will be another possible is also that if you are not telling if you're telling a negative manners, then he will change it into another interview, like a technical interview, and you have to pass from that, and then you attend the HR interview. Next one.
Is there any particular slide you want to explain?
Huh?
Do you want to explain any other particular slides?
Arun Kumar, you finished your presentation, Amma?
Yes, ma'am.
You're finished. Now you go for a question answer section, Ma. Harishwar, you discuss your questions. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Divya from our batch is with us right now, so she was answering in the chats. So the first question was, is there any particular programming language for KPAT? And as they said, yeah, Arun, you can answer the question.
No, there is no particular C language is enough for the KPIT companies. Just go through the basic program of just C.
They won't ask any very advanced programs or with the data structures or like that. They will just maximum they'll ask about structures or union maybe. More than that, they won't ask. Like they will ask you to get the inputs for a list of students and their details or list of employees like that. So not more than that. And you should know a little bit about dynamic memory allocation alone. Like you have to use malloc and calloc to allocate memory in case the list of students or employees have to be added in the future. So that's how it should be done. Difference between normal platform and multi platform is I'll just show to you what happened.
ஹரீஸ்வர்,
Yeah, ma'am.
உங்களோட வாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் விட்டு விட்டு பிரேக் ஆகி வர மாதிரி இருக்கு.
இப்போ ஓகேவா மேம்?
அந்த கண்டினியூஸ் இது வரல, மாடுலேஷன் வரல.
ஓகே.
கொஞ்சம் வாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் குறைஞ்சு அதுக்கு அடுத்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. அதை மட்டும் செக் பண்ணி.
ஓகே மேம், ஓகே மேம்.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, actually, this is the metal platform. This is a site which we'll be using with an extension in the address bar. Like they will actually conduct tests using this because you will have you should actually use webcam for your test so that you won't copy from your phone and they'll be monitoring you. Sometimes the HR may be monitoring you, or they may use an artificial intelligence which will say whether you're using phone nearby by using image processing. So that's how they are monitoring how you are just. It's like you shouldn't cheat in the test, and they have to get an honest results for everyone. So that's why they're using it. So yeah, this is the platform, and even Wipro PRP test will be conducted in this platform only. So you could take care of that too. So Metal is like one of the most common platform used nowadays. Yeah, that's it about Metal platform. There will be no difference in coding part actually.
Normally basic coding they ask.
Yeah. What?
No difference in coding.
Yeah. What actually we do in skill rack and any other C compiler, the same will be in that case too. And actually, it will be a little bit easier. While yeah, Arun, you can explain about the MCQ questions that were asked there. You know,
MCQs.
yeah,
Technical.
yeah, like the time which they gave for each module. How much duration did you get for each module?
Totally 1.5 hours test. Like 4 topics. In coding rounds, they give 30 minutes of timing. In technical question, they give around 40 minutes, around 30 minutes, and quants and verbals they give each 15.
So like actually, what he did was he needs to solve one aptitude question within 1 minute. So sometimes it was like that. Yeah, am I correct?
Yeah.
Logical round it was like if it was for 14 questions, you will get only 14 minutes. So it's, the duration is based on rounds, not a overall time. Like for each round there will be a time constriction. So yeah, for your
Each round there will be a
yeah, for the previous batch they didn't have the online platform at all, but for our batch they had an for your batch also they will conduct with the same online platform. So and you can't use
Whatever
previous
technical,
Absolutely.
whatever technical round, ma, they are given some 20 questions, na, that is a objective type of questions or a
Objective.
descriptive type.
objectives.
Okay.
So based on DLC, LIC, and microprocessor, microcontroller, they ask questions in a technical round. Man.
So you should have general idea about those things. That's what.
Just they have to read only the fundamentals. They have to take any objective type of book, question bank book, then they have to start read.
Yeah, actually, what we got taught in college was enough, man. Because our college books itself covered most of the part. Arun read from the book which you taught us, man. So,
Our college book is enough for
notes,
the
yeah,
technical
DLC
round.
notes which you taught to us, the same he read for preparing.
Definitely, all will leave from this training program. It's okay, wa? If you are telling like this.
No, really, ma'am. Because I was sitting next to him while he was preparing. He said that yeah, the notes is really useful because you gave only the key parts and not the whole paragraph to be written.
Yeah, I think at the time of placement, I'm given only keynotes. I think you are not attended. I think many students attended that placement.
Yeah, they separately you conducted
Placement preparation. Yeah. I conducted one placement preparation for a DLC, LIC like that.
So KPIT
Only
was
2 hours I
placement
attended.
and you helped us actually.
Okay. Because whatever the subjects Arun Kumar told, all the subjects I only took. DLC, LIC, microprocessor and microcontroller. That's why I'm telling.
Sumitra ma'am also took, ma'am.
Yeah. LIC Sumitra.
For this batch, I only took
okay.
Myself and HOD ma'am. That's why I'm telling. If you're telling start read the subject, now definitely all will leave from this training program. Okay.
So,
then you proceed for another questions.
Yeah, then they asked about union. Whether is union very much needed? No, I don't think.
India Bix.
Yeah, you say India.
Indian Bix or app இருக்குங்க. From that they ask questions in technical rounds, man. Just go through that Indian Bix site, man.
Yeah, actually that's a very good point. They do ask from many companies. They ask from that site only. They do have many years of.
From that they ask technicals round, aptitudes and logical, man. In KPIT first round.
I saw that India Pix. That is very useful and informative channel, I think. They are discussing lot of questions with answer.
They are asking what topics should they study, like not subjects in specific, like in DLC what you must study. That's they're asking something like that in subject.
In DLC, I studied top to bottom of that subject. Just go through the conventional logic circuits and program logic circuit, PPROM, PAC, like programming logic circuit.
PLDs, programmable logic devices. I think you are telling no PLDs.
Programming logic
Shift
and
Yeah,
the
yeah.
conventional logic gates. In LIC, you go through for the filters A to D, D to A, and symmetry triggers, comparator
Op
generator,
amps.
op amps.
op amps,
Mm.
differential amplifier, like that. They ask questions in LIC. In microprocessors, you should know the basics, features, advantages, disadvantages, and flags. Like that, they ask questions in microprocessor and microcontroller.
Triple five time. That's really yeah, that's pretty much about the topics from each subject. So are there any other questions? And sorry, the Python they won't be using at any point of time for now. They haven't said, they haven't even given other programming languages. They asked only in C. Not even Java, C++. Since it's a core company, they are only giving importance to embedded C. So, like if you know C, you have more advantage in going to the company from their perspective. Okay, Arun, can you hear me?
Ah.
Okay. Waiting. Oh yeah, for technical preparation, are there any sites where we can learn the basics? Arun?
Hmm?
They're asking whether there are any sites for learning the basics of DLC.
Basics of C. Yeah.
DLC. No technical subjects. That's what they are coming to say.
I already told no Indian big
Not
sites.
like
There
a
will be
question MCQ based format. They're asking like where we can learn like like in a textbook. So how will the site be for that? Which kind of site?
I didn't learn in the sites. I just go through our college materials.
What if they don't have the material? I think that's what they're meaning to ask. How can they go through other than seeing through books or India books? Arun?
என்னடா?
Other than India books, other sites such as பண்ண முடியுமா? That's
Most of questions KPIT face exam top list students also told India Bix is a site you can learn in technical skills, and C program is also their MCQs. It's useful for you in placed in any code companies. It's best. I think it's a best site you can learn in a technical MCQs and C and snippets.
there will be notes in the side. See, I think I'll just open IndiaBix and I'll show what will be the contents presented. Like, yeah, Arun, where can we go for technical stuff?
And more search bar.
What should we be searching?
Actually, you have to type the subject ma. In the search, you have to type the subject.
Okay. So I just got it with the new tab, even for search results. So yeah, digital electronics.
Oh, this right.
So in the digital
Yeah.
electronics also, they will given a topic wise, like a combinational circuit, sequential circuit, like that. They are separated the topic.
Click on a topic, it goes inside, and we can go and go for the questions.
Yeah, they are given explanation also for all the questions. Actually,
After
this
that,
is
face
a
exam.
useful site, this one. For all the subject, not only DLC, this is useful for all the subjects.
It's useful
If the
for placing
students
another
are,
company also, ma'am. Another code company
okay,
also.
definitely. For all the subjects, this site is useful.
After that,
Apart from this,
face exam also prepare in IndiaBix also, ma'am. They
yeah,
ask
yeah, yeah.
questions in IndiaBix also.
You just explain about the face exam and how it works in KPI. Because I think they don't know what face exam.
In face in face exam, first there will be a 5 topics. Is that unit 1 is based upon the functions and fundamentals of electronics logic control units, ECU, and second one which is deal about sensors, automotive sensors, and third topic which is about the embedded, and fourth one is MATLAB and Simulink, and fifth one is OB, OBM and functional safety and ADAS. These are 5 topics is covered in the face exam, and there will be an exam in June 16 for my batches in KP8. In KP8. After that, the in training section, they train in MATLAB and Simulink, embedded system, and Python courses also. Yeah.
So like after we got selected in KPIT, you have to learn a lot. Like since you know Python and some are already interested in machine learning, I think they did cover those two parts in the training too. So you might easily cope up for your.
There will be 6 domains in KPIT: machine learning, MATLAB, and object-oriented Java and object-oriented Python. Like that, 6 domains is there. From that, we have to choose that domains. Basic on the basis of the domain, we have trained in. If you want me machine learning, means they will train in machine learning. Like that, they said. Just go through this IndiaBix is useful for you to get placed in code companies. There will be technical round questions also there, like TLC, LIC, EDC, a microprocessor, microcontroller. It's useful for you to get placed in KP, any other core company also. C, so coding is also important KPI to use. There will be 2 courses which is about the basis of the coding. Just go through the basis of the coding, and you must know function return type.
Yeah,
Okay, ma. Any other questions, ma? Harishwar?
actually that function return type, it's actually what it is. They will not give you the main program to be edited. You have to edit only a function where you have to return. So you have to know the
Functions.
concept of pointers. If you have to return an array of objects or something like that. So if you have to return array of integers or array of strings, you should know to manage it, how to send an array to a function, how to again return from a function, and how it works there, and you have to know those concepts. Like the basics alone, if you know strong, that's enough actually to get placed. That's all right now. And after
This is only for KP18, no, ma?
yeah, ma'am. And
Yes.
this is just
That,
general interest,
that
like
point, uh,
for me.
that point you have to tell to students. Only
Yeah,
for KP18, they must know the basics of C.
yeah.
Okay.
No, actually, for Soliton today, I did the same basics, but it was not like from a function. We can program as
Mm-hmm.
we wish, but here they just want us to return it from a function. You have to define the function separately. So you should know the
Okay.
concept of function too, and pointers. These two are like important. And very rarely they are structure, but if they do are structure, you just need to know the syntax of structure. You can directly use it, and they won't ask any like they will not ask you to do any algorithms on the structure. They just ask you to get the input and show the output as how they want. Like if they give 5 categories: salary, their address, etc., they will ask only about the name and salary of the employees. So this is how the question will be in case of structures. And union, rarely, that is only one time they ask, that too for our super seniors. That's how we got to know they ask even unions. But later they didn't ask about it, and maybe we don't know. But since Arun said they might be asking in future in Python too, because they are moving to a different domain. They are exploring their edges actually.
Explain knowledge in closely in Bosch, Robert Bosch, Gila Continental also, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. I actually heard that Bosch is going to come this year. Actually, it's that Bosch is near to Soliton in our office, ma'am. So we
Oh,
spoke to some of people there, and they said that if some good candidates are available in uh, RMK institutions, we might even come there, because they are already taking from SRM, and they plan to extend it through Velamal and RMK institutions, ma'am. So that's what we heard actually.
okay. Okay.
So even for Bosch, the same goes. All this stuff we said here for KPIT, Bosch will be doing the same, and they need the same. And little bit too technical. They'll be asking more from even missions criteria. I don't know why that's, but they said who got placed in Bosch, and it's a higher package, 6 to 8 lakhs, something like that. And even for you, Soliton is like 6 lakh package. That's they changed for your year. And KPIT, I don't know, they said that they will change in their official site, they have given that. And once the company will give the information to college, you will know about the packages. From your year, the package is changing for most of the companies, and it will increase monthly. So, general information I got by yesterday. Any other questions? Yeah. If you have any more questions, we can continue the session, or else we can end the session.
Shall we end the session, ma?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. We don't get any questions before, like, for 2 more minutes, we can end the session by 1:55.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, Arun Kumar. You are given more information regarding subject as well as your KPIT. Definitely, this is useful for our third year students. Thank you, ma, once again. Thank you,
Thank you.
Aryushar. So you are taking more effort. Daily, you are coming and attending training program along with your third year students. So you are doing a good job. So once again, I will convey my sincere thanks to both. Arun Kumar as well as Harishwar.
It's a pleasure.
Then once again, I will thank all the third year students for attending this training program. Definitely, I'll think this is useful for you. Thank you, ma'am.
So we shall end the session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank